Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 3 to 9, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano makakapag-book. Okay, so let's see Aries. What's up with you ngayong week na ito? Your overall energy for this week is the Ace of Cups. This is a new beginning, a potential love. So for some of you, if you're looking for a romantic relationship, may possibility na merong new person coming in, no? Pwedeng magiging inspiration, crush, alam niyo na. So, maaari ring iba sa inyo, this can mean a new source of happiness na magpapa-excite sa inyo this week. Ayan. So, let's see your possible challenge. Ano yung challenge? You have the Sun. The Sun is about confidence. O baka medyo parang magiging mahiyain kayo ngayong week na to. Lalo na kung merong bagong person na nagpapakita ng interest towards you. And maaari ring this can also mean a challenge pagdating sa relationship or connection mo sa anak mo, no? Kung meron ka na anak. But if not, maaring lang, may mga times kasi 'di ba na hindi tayo confident. May mga times na we feel insecure. So ito yung panahon na mas lalo ka dapat magtiwala sa sarili mo, maniwala sa sarili mong kakayanan because you can do it. Okay? You can definitely do it. And then, let's see naman yung inyong opportunity. What's the opportunity? The Ten of Wands. So, marami kayong opportunities. Kaya lang yung iba sa inyo, maaring you're getting a lot, no? Parang, sabi nga do not eat more than what you can chew. Parang ganon. Oo, yung tipong, kung ano lang yung kaya mong, yung kaya mo lang na i-process, kaya mo lang na panindigan. Kasi, kumbaga, pag masyado mo namang ipinilit, baka ikaw rin yung mahirapan. Okay? But since this is your opportunities, ibig sabihin nito, kayang-kaya mo rin namang pagsabay-sabayin yan. Kailangan mo lang talaga na i-manage yung iyong time. Lalo na kung marami kang goals for this week. Ito yung mga naipon-ipon pa na dapat mo sanang inasikaso ng mga nakaraan tapos ngayon mo lang gagawin. So, kaya mo naman siyang habulin. Okay? Let's see your blessing. You have the Three of Cups. Oh, may celebration. Ayan. So, you may be going out with your friends, your family, your loved ones to celebrate a milestone. So, maaring meron kayong na-achieve for this week na kumbaga, yung goal ninyo, nakuha nyo, like, na-meet nyo yung sales nyo, yung inyong target na productivity, 'di ba? Yung isinet mo na mga ma-accomplish mo for the week ay mamimit mo. Kaya ka nagse-celebrate kasi yung mga kailangan mong asikasuhin, natapos mo talaga. Oo. Ayan. So, some of you naman pwedeng you will also go out with friends na kasama yung yung romantic partner na nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. O, diba? So, let's see naman energy for your money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Aries. Kaperahan. What's up with the money? Uy, Nine of Cups. This is wish fulfillment, happiness. O, meron kang yung inaasahan mo na income, pera, ay makukuha mo ngayong week na to. And I also feel like pagdating sa trabaho, meron kang certain fulfillment sa trabaho mo na you will be grateful for your blessings, no? Na natatanggap. Oh, 'di ba? You have the Ten of Pentacles. This is stability in your finances for your family. Pwede rin meron kayong mga maipupundar ngayong week na to na very useful para sa buong pamilya. You have the Page of Pentacles. Some of you merong pagsisimula ng negosyo, or maaring nagkakaroon kayo ng training ngayon. You are researching, learning something new na mag-i-increase ng inyong kaperahan, no? Ng inyong income. So, take that opportunity to learn more about how to earn money. Diba? Enterprise. You are getting into business. Yung may mga negosyo dyan, I think mas marami pa kayong pag-aaralan para mas mapaunlad nyo pa yung existing nyo na negosyo. At kung kayo naman ay nagbabalak pa lang mag-business, ayan, ito na yung inyong sign to get into business. You are ready to take the challenge and be your own boss. Ayan, mag-ingat lang sa mga taong i-discourage ka sa mga plano mo, no? Lalo na kung sa tingin mo meron silang hindi magandang motives, no? Motibo. Yung mga kompetensya dyan, yung pala kaya ka dinidiscourage kasi ayaw niya na maangatan mo siya. Kasi nakikita niya rin yung potential mo. 'Di ba? So, iwas na lang sa mga ganyang tao. Pag nakaramdam ka na parang, something's off with this person, iwas na lang. Okay? Kasi yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng sa trabaho na napapansin kayo sa work, meron kayong recognition, yung iba na promote, tapos merong mga bitter sa pagkakapromote mo. So, let's see your love life, love and family. You have the Death card. May ending. Wheel of Fortune. Oh my God. So, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, merong major change in your love life ngayon. Yes, yung iba, major decision that you need to do, no? Something is ending. You are closing a chapter of your life to pursue something. So, parang meron kang iba, pwedeng separation, nagde-decide ka if you are going to end this relationship or not, at mag-focus na lang sa kung saan ka mas magiging masaya or mas magiging worth it yung buhay, no? Yung iba naman, pwede rin naman tong you are making a decision to finally release the person, no? Kasi yung iba, kahit na magkahiwalay na sila, they are still hoping, no, na umaasa pa rin na baka bumalik or what. But yung iba sa inyo, finally, nire-release nyo na yung tao na yan. Dahil gusto nyo na ng bagong buhay. You have religion. So, I think, isa sa nagpapalakas sa inyo ngayon is yung inyong belief system, no? Yung inyong pananaw sa buhay. Stalking, maaring meron ding person na nagiging interesado sa iyo ngayon, inaalam kung kumusta ka na, anong nangyayari. Sino tong nagsustalk na to? Tingnan natin. Sino nagsustalk sa mga Aries? Okay, isang Virgo. Virgo at Libra. Let's see. Okay, and then your final message. Tignan natin, Aries. Courage. Ayan, lakas ng loob. You are being tested. Have faith and stand in your truth. Tinetest ka raw ng universe. Kung ano talaga yung gusto mong panindigan. Yung totoo ba? O yung pressure sa paligid mo? Sino yung pipiliin mo? Ano yung pipiliin mo? Kasi minsan, yung mga desisyon natin, hindi naman talaga natin gusto. Nape-pressure lang tayo or na-influence lang tayo ng mga tao sa paligid natin. Sensitive soul, strengthen your boundaries and cut cords. So, ayun na nga. Mas lalo mong pinapatatag ang boundaries mo. Hindi ka na marupok. Oo. And you are also cutting cords. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung alam mong toxic sa buhay mo, anything na no longer serving your highest good, you are releasing that. You are cutting connections from them. Pwedeng family members, ex-lover, para finally, you can move on and move forward. Oo, kasi minsan yung iba ano pa eh, nagiging marupok pa eh. Tapos, mapupunta lang kayo ulit dun sa cycle na yon, same problem, same issue, hindi naman nasusolusyonan. Oo, but for some of you, you will finally realize na you deserve better. Maglalakas loob ka na to go to a new path. Yan, you are closing a chapter in your life to start something new. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.